Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if the Riot Client isn't opening on your Windows PC. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. First step, you just need to end Riot processes. To do this, you just need to open up Task Manager, and in search you just need to type Riot. If Riot Client is running in the background, just right click on it and select End Task It. After that, just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to right click on the Riot Client and select Run as Administrator and launch the application. This may resolve permission related issues. Third step, you just need to allow through firewall. To do this, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall. Click on open it. You just need to select change settings and select allow another app. Swipe browse, and now you just need to navigate to the Riot Client location. You just need to select the Riot Client services and select open and select the add option. In my case, I already added in the list of exhibitions. After adding it, you just need to check the boxes, guys. Just check private and public over here. After that, click on OK to save changes. For this step, you just need to update your driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After that, just close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to flash DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these two commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. You just need to restart your PC after running these commands. Just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to disable third-party antivirus. Sometimes security software may block Riot processes. Temporarily disable it, guys. To do this, click on the system tray, and if any third-party antivirus is running in the background, just right click on it and select disable it, guys. After that, just close stuff here. Seventh step, you just need to check compatibility mode. To do this, you just need to right click on the Riot Client and select properties, select compatibility tab, and you just need to check mark run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8 and select apply and OK. Now you can try launching the Riot Client and check if the problem solved or not. Eighth step, you just need to reinstall Riot Client. Uninstall and reinstall the client from Riot's official website if all else fails. This ensures you have the latest files and resolves potential corruption issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Riot Client not opening on Windows PC problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.